Hi friend, today's topic is twin paradox. Let 1 by root under 1 minus b square by c square is equal to lambda is equal to 0.6. B is equal to 0.8. C distance between planet is equal to 8 light years. This is Earth, this is planet, this is spaceship. T is equal to 8 by 0.8 is equal to 10 year for the Earth clock and planet clock. Problem. As spaceship is moving with v time dilation, lambda t is equal to 10 into 0.6 is equal to 6 year. So ship will take 12 year in coming back to Earth. Therefore spaceship man will be younger. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 by 8 years. Now considering from observer in spaceship, Earth will be moving. As 12 year passes for spaceship man, for Earth it will be 12 into lambda is equal to 7.2 light year, 7.2 year. Therefore, Earth's man will be younger by 12 minus 7.2 is equal to 4.8 year. This is paradox. Solution. As spaceship man time is 6 year. For him, the Earth will be moving. Hence, the time dilation for Earth is 6 into lambda is equal to 3.6 year, and for planet P, time will be LB lambda c square. As Earth is moving towards the planet, is equal to 4.8 into 0.8 into 6 in c square into 0.6 is equal to 6.4. Planet to the Earth as its rear end. Now it will take 10 year earthly and planet clock to come back to the planet to the Earth, and hence Earth clock will be 16.4 year, and it advances by 3.6 year when spaceship man come to the Earth. Hence 20 year will be taken. Thanks friend. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. With also send feedback. Also comment the topic you want to know in detail. Thanks friend.